Greetings, roadway adventurers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury and exploration merge in grand style. We're thrilled to unveil a 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QTH with just 24,000 miles. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, showcases the elegant 40QTH floor plan with 4 full-size slide-outs, sleeping up to 6 in opulent comfort. Coated in Tiffin's stunning Maroon Coral full-body paint package, this RV sparkles with elegance, powered by a formidable Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a captivating tour to explore every luxurious detail of this exceptional coach. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QTH captivates with timeless sophistication. The Maroon Coral graphics package bathes this coach in vibrant, upscale hues, ensuring it turns heads at every campground or scenic stop. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL turbocharged diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. With only 24,000 miles, this RV is ready for countless journeys. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your outdoor experience. Pass-through basement storage compartments with 2 slide-out trays offer vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch Samsung HD TV, speakers, and stereo creates a lively setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating. A Carefree of Colorado automatic power patio awning, power door awning, and window awning package craft a shaded, luxurious oasis at any campsite. An HWH computerized automatic 4-point hydraulic leveling jack system with touchpad controls ensures quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor, activated by reverse and turn signals, make navigation effortless. A 10,000-pound weight distributing tow hitch with a 7-pin plug adds versatility for towing. Powering your travels is seamless with this RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray, with only 315 hours of use, delivers robust power for off-grid adventures. A 50-amp service with a Magnum 2,000-watt inverter, 100-amp converter, and transfer switching ensures efficient energy management. 3 low-profile roof air conditioners with thermostat control and gas-electric heat options keep you comfortable year-round. These systems make this Phaeton a versatile choice for upscale adventures. Step inside and the 40QTH floor plan unfolds as an opulent haven, perfect for family or group getaways. 4 full-size slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 6, ideal for travelers seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a large pull-out sleeper sofa, and a jackknife L-shaped sectional sofa in the front living room. The large front living room is a cozy retreat with a pull-out sleeper sofa, jackknife sectional sofa, a 32-inch TV above the front seats, and a 40-inch TV in the rear of the room, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. A booth dinette with storage underneath adds a practical dining space, enhanced by warm cabinetry and durable finishes. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece designed for seamless meal preparation. It boasts stainless steel appliances, including a residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher option, an extendable countertop, and a residential sink with faucet for all your cooking needs. The nearby booth dinette ensures comfortable dining for family meals or planning adventures. The middle bathroom area is exceptional, featuring a large shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, sink, and vanity, plus a separate water closet with a toilet, another sink and vanity, and a power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience. A stackable washer and dryer system in a vented closet adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The rear master bedroom is a plush oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, wardrobe closet, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed, pull-out sleeper sofa, and jackknife sectional sofa provide flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family vacations or group adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 40QTH floor plan, with 4 slide-outs, offers a spacious interior for 6. The Cummins ISL engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the dishwasher option, washer-dryer, and Maroon Coral paint package add elegance, while the HWH leveling jacks and camera system boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QTH, exploring scenic highways, tranquil campgrounds, or coastal retreats with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, relaxing by the 40-inch TV, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its maroon coral exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 24,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Phaeton is a standout choice. Tiffin's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras, activated by reverse and turn signals, and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathroom to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Maroon Coral paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The pass-through storage with 2 slide-out trays makes organization effortless, while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The carefree of Colorado awnings and HWH leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The pull-out sleeper sofa and jackknife sectional sofa create a perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining guests. The 40-inch TV and booth dinette offer versatile entertainment and dining options, while the spacious layout enhances the luxurious feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Phaeton? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the dishwasher, washer-dryer, and spacious interior that make life on the road effortless. The 40QTH floor plan offers ample space for 6, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QTH is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 8642-609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2014 Tiffin Phaeton 40QTH. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, king bed, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642-609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2014 Phaeton 40QTH. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.